Nabengome yabo Dokoso Shangane lapha ezinye zaziyo kufa ngomdlebe sinibingelele sinamukele ke phina philana ethamele khona i1 KZN TV igama lami ke nguphiwe ngwakwamthembu sikhuluma nawe ke osungula namhlanje sihamba nomnyango wezokubusa ngokubambisana nendaba zomdabu esifundazweni kwaZulu Natal uholwa ke umfundisi uthula sizwe Buthelezi ingwedla amabala amhlophe ezinye zidla amabala amnyama namdaka nokuyilapho khona osungula namhlanje kuhlanganeke omasipala beyifunda ezintathu uGu District Municipality iTheku kanye neLembe District kuphinde futhi ke kube ngomasipala ke abangaphansi kwalezi ifunda ngokunjalo ke namakhosi ohlanga ayingxenye ke yalolu hlelo okuyinhloso enkulu yalomhlangano ukubheka indlela ke omasipala abaphethe ngayo imali indlela omasipala abaletha ngayo idingo emphakathini kanjalo ke nendlela ke omasipala abasebenzisana ngakhona nomphakathi siyafisa ukuthi uma ngabe silivula ke uhlelo siliqale ngokuthi sibheke ukuthi ukuhleleka kwalo kumi kanjani nokuyikhona siyokuthola ngaye ke umfundisi uButhelezi owungqongqoshe walomnyango wakwaKhokta kulesi fundazwe sakwaZulu Natal kuyoba sekulandela ke ikhulumi ngokwehlukana kwazo uma ngabe sithi ke abakhulume
cluster uGu District eThekwini Metropolitan Municipality and iLembe. So that is how we are coordinating our activities both for local government and traditional affairs. Ngakho ke zonke indaba ezithinta omasipala namakhosi ne-local economic development are now coordinated according to that cluster. And the cluster champion is Miss Princess Mtshali. Mhlambe mawungasukuma ukuze amakhosi akubone. So she leads the cluster. And then the second cluster is called the Inland Cluster, which is Herigwala District, Umgungundlovu District. So those two form the Inland Cluster. Today we are with the Coastal Cluster. Next week we will be with the Inland Cluster. That is the Southern Cluster, which is the Herigwala District and Umgungundlovu District, led by the DDG, who is leading Southern Cluster, DDG UBL. So we will be with them, Namakosi, in those districts. Then we have the Inland Cluster, which is Umzinyati, Utugela, and Amajuba. And then we have the North Coast Cluster, which is King Echwayo, Umkhanyakude, and Zululand. So today is our Munimec for the Coastal Cluster. I will request from our colleagues the full list of Amakosi, because I've not received the full list of Amakosi who are present here, because I can see Amakosi which are not on the list who are part of this meeting. So we will acknowledge Amakosi once we have the full list with us for iLembe, eThekwini, and Ugu, because it's very important that we know Amakosi. Abanye nje inkosi yakwamavundla bayazi bayigcina ku TV. Manje kuyibona iphakathi kwethu kusomele sikwazi ukuyethula inkosi. Abanye nje inkosi yakwaNgcobo iqadi eThekwini bayigcina kuphela ebuhleni. Abayazi iqadi maseli phakathi kwethu. Ngakho ke kuhle ukuthi inkosi bayibone iphakathi kwethu. Our agenda, colleagues, is very short.
It is important, MEC, when we gather like this, to also acknowledge that as different municipalities, we have a very crucial role to play in terms of economic development, not only for the residents of the municipalities we represent, but also for the province at large. Because when you zoom into tourism, most of the tourism activities occurred in our different municipalities. We hope that this platform, especially this meeting, will also create a partnership with all the coastal municipalities that will see us even working together toward making a point that the issue of economic development becomes the center, because we believe as eThekwini leadership that when we cannot invest in the capacity of our municipalities, we will not be doing justice, because a lot of challenges that we are confronting as municipality is a result of the state in which our people live under, especially poverty that is there in our places. And we also hope that, Mhlonishwa MEC, this platform will also zoom into a lot of issues that are still confronting us and the new normals of the climate change that we live in. We hope that moving forward, we are going to see this platform yielding result in the manner in which, as different municipalities, we work together. With those words, you are indeed all welcome to this beautiful city called eThekwini. Siyabonga.
As our mayors would know, MuniMec ordinarily would include all mayors, speakers, and municipal managers from the 54 municipalities in KwaZulu-Natal. However, we have realized that the scope of our work is too broad to address every challenge effectively in such a big setting. And by working in smaller focused clusters, such as this one covering Ugu District, Ilembe, and eThekwini, we allow ourselves sufficient time to reflect on the challenges and opportunities in each district and to respond with a targeted intervention. I would like to formally welcome Amakhosi to this cluster engagement, because we feel that the presence of Amakhosi and their support will enhance the value of our contributions. Today's session is about reviewing municipal performance and ensuring that communities under Amakhosi have their needs properly addressed. When we undertook to have Amakhosi represented in EXCO, we did so with the firm belief that no development should take place without the meaningful participation of Amakhosi. This reflects our unwavering respect for Ubukhosi. We believe that Amakhosi must lead and serve their people actively and not remain just ceremonial figures to cut the ribbon, as has too often been the case in the past.
Thank you very much, Shenge, for this opportunity. Although I came here as one of the Amakhosi from the clusters of Ugu District, I'm not here today as the chairperson of the house, but I came here as Inkosi under Inkosi Ungcobo, my chairperson at Ugu. But anyway, we are very happy that Amakhosi and the councillors and mayors and municipal managers are under one roof, because all the problems that we encounter in our areas, I think they need such a platform to be resolved. So, as Inkosi Shinga and the chairperson of the Provincial House in KZN, we are happy that we have started this kind of clusters, because every corner in the province, all the service delivery challenges, I think, will be easily solved if we are in one roof, we are under one roof. With those few words, Shenge, I hope this gathering will bear good fruits, and going forward to other clusters will also have better results for our province. We really appreciate what you have done for the local, for the municipalities and Amakosi coming together to discuss their challenges. Thank you.
Mbukeli ke ngempela ke sezikhulumile ikhulumi zashiyelana inkundla njengoba sishilo sathi zonke inhlaka zimelelekile omasipala kanjalo nobuholi bomdabu okungamakhosi, kodwa siyafisa ke ukuthi enkulumeni ke ekhethekile esikhulumeke noShenge esicacisele ukuthi lolu suku belubaleke ngani ukuthi lube khona, kanti futhi ke luzoza namiphi imthelela ikakhulukazi ke endleleni okuholwa ngayo imphakathi, endleleni okusheshiswa ngayo izidingo emphakathini. Siyomthola uma ngabe sithi ke abakhulume.
Usuku lwanamhlanje bekuwusuku olusemqoka kakhulu ngoba besihlangane nomeya bama district amathathu oku iTheku iMetro, idistrict yaSogwini, uGu district neLembe district, nabo bonke omasipala abakhele lezoyifunda. Sizobheka isimo somasipala okuthiwa i-state of local government. Sibheka ukuhanjiswa kwamanzi emphakathini, sibheka udaba likagesi, sibheka imigwaqo, sibheka nanokuthi umkhandlu uyiphethe kanjani imali zomphakathi. Okusigculise kakhulu ukuthi namhlanje kube namakhosi aseNdlunkulu aqhamuka kuzo zonke lezi zifunda nawo bezofakazela ukubambisana phakathi kwamakhosi nomasipala. Sikwazile ke ukuthi sicoshe ithuba elikahle kakhulu nomeya bakwazi ukuthi bathule inhlelo zabo, ikakhulukazi ezizwile ukuthi lapha eThekwini kunokubambisana okuhle kakhulu phakathi kwamakhosi nomkhandlu weTheku, kangangokuthi uma kuvela neinhlekelele uyakwazi umasipala ukuthi usheshe uphendule. Kanjalo esifundeni iLembe sikwazile ukuthi sicoshe umbiko wakhona indawo enjengakwamaphumulo, isekhona inselelo kagesi, indawo edinga ukuthi ixhunyelwe ugesi. Kanjalo nasesifundeni uGu Ogwini kuningi okusadinga ukwenziwa, kodwa imbiko ikhombisa ukuthi khona inqubekela phambili ekhona. Usithozisile futhi uthi kube khona nenkampani yakwa-Eskom echaze kabanzi ukuthi iziphi ingqinamba ababhekene nazo nanokuthi iziphi ixazululo eyisetafuleni njengamanje ezizohlosa ukuthi ugesi ugcine ufinyelela kuyo yonke imiphakathi yalapha KwaZulu-Natal.
Yamzwa kwethu siliguqisa njalo uhlelo besithi abakhulume, nokuyilapho khona besihamba ke nomnyango wezokubusa ngokubambisana nendaba zomdabu kuso lesifundazwe siholwa ke umfundisi uButhelezi. Igama lami nguPhiwe ngwakwamthembu, uncedi inyoni encane yashama Phiwe Yandeza. Ngivumeleni ngiguqe esigoqeni sonke siyothi sukuma kuyobe kusoluzayo inkosi enibusisa.